So since July 2025, we've had some new rules in regarding the skilled worker visas. And this video should shed some more light on it and give you a bit more clarity as to what that could mean for you, especially if you're looking to come over and do something dentistry or healthcare related in the UK. So now there is going to be a new minimum skill level. So the job that you are doing needs to be at least a level RQF6. Okay, so this is the equivalent of a bachelor's degree. And then this is going to allow you to get the skilled worker sponsorship, or at least apply for it. However, this means that anybody who's trying to come over as a dental nurse from abroad, you will no longer be within this skill category. So therefore, this is going to have an effect on the dental team unless you were in employment prior to July 2025 when this law has been ruled out. Okay, so the next thing changing are the salary requirements. At the moment, or what most people would have known prior to this, would have been the salary of 38,700 for you to come over as a salary requirement. That is now going up to £41,700 per year if you're looking to come over and provide financial evidence to receive the visa. This translates to around £17 an hour. So if you're getting paid an hourly rate, you need to know that this is the bare minimum for you to come to the UK. Now, typically, how would this affect you if you're coming over as a dental healthcare professional that may not be a dentist, but a hygienist or a therapist or a nurse? Of course, in the UK, the salaries will not match the 41,700 that you need to get the visa. Therefore, you are going to struggle quite a bit. So what would be my advice would be to try to upskill if you can to dentistry, if it's easy enough for you to convert your dental healthcare professional course in your home country, and then apply through the ORE route to then become a dentist full-blown here in the UK, and the salary will support that required amount of 41,700 to allow you to transition to the UK without any issues. However, if you are a hygienist, a therapist, or a nurse, coming over with a visa is going to be nearly impossible now through the employment route. So maybe some other form of sponsorship could be an option for you. Okay, now, of course, those that are already here and settled prior to July 2025, you shouldn't have much to worry about, and I wouldn't panic at this stage. So long as you have had your requirements checked and everything signed off prior to this, you should be fine because you will be part of the system prior to 2025 July. But those that are coming in after this has taken effect already, and those planning to come to the UK, please now consider different options in terms of your entry into the UK or the qualifications that you currently have to help make sure that you meet the requirements. And hopefully that makes life a bit more clearer. Now, I don't personally agree with these new laws and regulations, as I feel they're highly restricted, especially in the dental industry that we're in at the moment within the UK, whereby we really are dependent on more members of the dental team joining the force to help the crisis that we have here in the UK. However, laws are laws, and politically at the moment there is a massive push for those that are anti-immigration, let's call it. So I understand why this is happening, and sadly I hope this doesn't affect you. I do hope that everything works out for whoever this is that is listening. And again, get in touch if you need any further advice. I will do my best to try to help. Good luck. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.